Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my kitchen. So lentils today. It is cold outside, and what can be more delicious than some creamy lentils, right? However, there are a couple of tricks and secrets that I want to share with you guys because it will elevate your simple lentils into something really amazing. Lentils are affordable, they're very nutritious, and they're delicious. However, with those couple of tricks, you will thank me later, I promise you. Now the lentils here, I'm using the really small lentils, puy lentils, caviar lentils. They are very tiny, but you can use any type of lentils you want, as well as peas, dried peas. This recipe works well with peas as well. So we're going to start by soaking the lentils. Why? Because we want to get rid of the anti-nutrients, phytate is the name. So soak them in water. So after this time, you see some scum, some foam forming on top, and those are the impurities that we want to get rid of, okay? So we're going to rinse them in the sink, and now we're going to pop them in a pressure cooker. If you do not have a pressure cooker, do not worry, okay? We put it in a pressure cooker with some garlic and onion powder. I have mixed them both together because I use them all the time, and salt and a bay leaf. And we're going to cook them for about 8 minutes. We're going to cook them for half the time because we're going to finish cooking them with vegetables, okay? If we cook the vegetables along with the lentils, they're going to be way overcooked, and we don't want that. And if you don't have a pressure cooker, how long will it take? About 20 minutes, I would say, simmering in a medium heat, all right? Now bear in mind that the lentils, as they soak in the water, they will puff up, they will get really bigger, like 2-3 times their size. And once they cook, even bigger, even bigger, all right? So bear in mind that 1 cup, it's enough to feed 4 people. All right, now, something that I have learned through the years is that sautéed vegetables, most of the time, they are better than cooked, boiled, except from roasted. Roasted is equally good because we allow them to caramelize. We create the Maillard effect, which is that caramelization you see going on around the edges. This is pure flavor, okay? So we are going to do that with onions. We're going to saute the onions with a little bit of olive oil, medium heat, then add finely diced carrots. Saute for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to put the lentils back in the pot, or rather in the new pot, with some green peas. Mine are frozen. Now this is what will make your lentils superb, okay? A spoon of Dijon mustard. I know, but this is very French, you know, trust me. I've had that in France, and it was like, you have to tell me, what is this? I mean, I could feel this, I'm salivating, distinguished flavor in the lentils. And how did you make it? Oh, no, simple, and mustard. I'm like, what? Okay then, let's do it. So don't be a wuss. Put a nice spoon of lentils. Oh, by the way, the recipe will be on the description under the video, everything detailed, and the temperatures and everything, so do not worry taking notes or anything like that. And now we are going to finish cooking everything, okay? Because the lentils are halfway cooked, and the vegetables as well are halfway cooked, and we're going to cook it together. You can also add some, I debated, like, should I add some potatoes? And I'm like, you know what? Those carbs are enough, because you can have those lentils with a side of rice, and that's how we do it in Brazil, right? It can be a soup, yeah, it can be a soup. It's going to, as it cooks along, it's going to become creamier, and but it's also really nice with a side of rice. It's my favorite way. So no potatoes because of that, but you can add, and also add whatever type of vegetables you want. I mean, the more, the better, right? It's not a case of you going to say like, oh, there's Dijon mustard on those lentils at all. But there will be a taste, like this foretaste and aftertaste that is going to be like, wow. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's make this channel grow. Now that I'm back, you know, I want to make this channel grow, and I will be here with you guys. You're gonna have to put up with me and all my talking, because this is how I will pass along my chef's knowledge to you guys. By talking. If I don't talk, if I don't teach you, how you're gonna know, right? If you think it's too long, I go to TikTok and then you beep, 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 and you don't even know what you're doing sometimes. That's my opinion. So, all right. Thumbs up, share away, and I will see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye.